Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn corporate finance step by step. Corporate finance is all about making smart money decisions for business. It covers three main areas: deciding where to invest, how to pay for those investments, and managing daily cash flow. Mastering these concepts is essential for anyone looking to understand how companies grow and create value. We will break down this complex field into manageable steps, making it accessible for everyone. Next, you will master the core concepts that underpin corporate finance. Start with the time value of money, which explains how money today is worth more than the same amount in the future. Then, dive into financial statements. These documents provide a snapshot of a company's financial health. Finally, understand the crucial balance between risk and return, as every investment carries a degree of both. These building blocks are indispensable for advanced topics. Now, let's apply your knowledge practically. You will explore capital budgeting techniques like net present value and internal rate of return, which help evaluate investment projects. Next, delve into working capital management, focusing on optimizing current assets and liabilities for smooth operations. Finally, analyze capital structure decisions, understanding how a company chooses between debt and equity to fund its growth. These applications bring theory to life. To truly excel, continuous learning is key. Stay updated with the ever-evolving industry trends and financial regulations as the corporate landscape constantly shifts. Practice your skills regularly by working through case studies and real-world financial problems. This reinforces your understanding. For advanced expertise, consider pursuing professional certifications such as the Chartered Financial Analyst designation, which demonstrates a high level of proficiency. Your learning journey never truly ends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.